Now time is changed. There was a time, suppose that Muhammad Sahab is called Paigambar. He gave the message of God. But nobody have any image, any photograph of Muhammad Sahab. They only worship Quran. If you are Muhammad Sahab, you are giving me gift. I like your gift, I don't like you. I can make photograph image of that gift, I can put it, but I will not have your image. This was tradition of the dark phase. In the same way, Nanak Dev Ji, he was very great master. But nobody liked to worship his photo, real photo. Everybody accepted his teaching as Guru. The Guru Granth Sahib is accepted as Guru. They put that book and they decorate very nicely. They put at the altar. What does it mean? But because of the ascending Dwapar Yuga, Paramahansa Yogananda is accepted as a master. Ikteshwagiri Lahiri Mahasaya, we are accepted as a master because work done by them is having proof. Nobody can ignore it. Paramahansa Yogananda demonstrated willing departure, but it did not decay. Ikteshwagiri demonstrated the same. Lahiri Mahasaya demonstrated the same. And about these masters, Paramahansa Yogananda has written very well. Because of this incident, nobody dared to deny their status. Therefore, I take reference of this book. What Swami Ikteshwagiri writes. But it is not easy to accept it, because when Paramahansa Yogananda was there, nobody accepted him the way they accept now. When Ikteshwagiri was there, he was going every week to Paramahansa Yogananda house, but nobody accepted Swami Ikteshwagiri as a great realized master. What they accept now. In the same way, Lahiri Mahasaya was there. Very few people accepted him as realized master. Majority were not having interest to know it. When Mahatma Gandhi was there, nobody accepted him as prophet. Now all over the world, everybody appreciates Gandhiji except few who are being greatly jealous with the higher personality of Gandhiji. Swami Ikteshwagiri is right in page number 60. Regard the Guru with the deep love. And what does it mean? You cannot regard anyone until you have 100% faith, understanding that that person only will work with the principle of truth and non-violence. Otherwise, you will regard Guru if he is giving you food and place to live and is helping you with moment. Guru is away. 10, 15 years you never met. Then we forget it. Proof that nobody accepted Paramahansa Yogananda as realized master when he was alive. Ikteshwagiri Lahiri Mahasaya, few accepted, few are not majority number. Now they accept more. Nobody accepted Jesus Christ as a prophet. Now they accept. Nobody accepted Muhammad Sahab as a great prophet. Now they accept it. Therefore, regard the Guru with the deep love. To keep company with the Guru is not only to be in the physical presence, but mainly means to keep him in our heart, to be one with him in principle and to attune ourselves with him. The heart's love intensified in the sense above explained, by keeping his appearance and attributes fully in the mind and by reflecting on the same and affectionately following his instructions like lamb of sheep. You have to follow like lamb of sheep till you realize that you are lamb of God. It is not easy job, it is tough. If you accept me as a Guru, I don't believe. You love me, I love you. Because you can't understand my all thoughts and ideas. You try to understand through your mind and intelligence. Mind and intelligence are having limited power. Therefore, I give reference with holy science. Suppose that you accepted as image Guru. You don't have any guru. You are having the image in a statue. If really accept that a statue is a guru, then only very rare phenomena, maybe exceptions in millions, trillions, maybe one. Then if you are sick, you will go to the image. You will not go to some doctor. If you have any problem, you will go to the image. But I never saw any person who is having sickness, not going to the hospital, going to the image. I never saw it in my whole life. Therefore, it is not easy to accept it, but how to follow Guru, that is very important. Therefore, what principal philosophy I am giving to you, I demonstrate you in the holy signs. If my teaching is in accordance with the teaching of Swami Yukteswar, or whatever I am giving, same thing was given by Paramahansa Yogananda. And this teaching is one proof, healing is 100%. If you follow, there will be 100% healing. Not follow raising arms up and down. Follow how to see, how to listen, how to taste, how to smell, how to experience touch, how to use your mind and in reasoning. You have to follow all instructions. Then you will realize healing is 100% here. In Kriyayoga Ashram, Allahabad, 100% healing is. Whatever problem you have no fear, follow Kriyayoga, you will be healed. And it has been demonstrated by many great souls who incarnated on this earth to prove this effect of Kriyayoga meditation. Many are sitting here. I have told their names many times. Today is not essential. Therefore, this ashram claims 100% healing of bodily problem, mental problem. And we claim 100% you will experience there is no death. There is no mortality. This is sufficient. Whatever I give you, I show that paragraph in Holy Signs. It means you should have no doubt. Whatever I say, just practice it. Suppose that if I am or anyone whom you accept as a guru, if that person eating the food and making one finger like this, or taking food like this, how a guru can eat like that? This is the way when we start judging. Why he is not close his button? Why he is walking like this? This is not the way how to judge. Therefore, try to judge in this way. Follow the principal philosophy. Try to get the same principal philosophy in holy science if it coincides. Then let's follow how to get rid of problems. If all are helping, then close your eyes, follow without any doubt. Therefore, you have to practice sincerely with guided meditation. Practice it again and again. And when you are practicing it, after that, rest of the time try to serve it. If you are not serving, only you are practicing, then you cannot understand. Best service is, what is the best service? If Kriya Yoga is making us great, the best service is for Kriya Yoga. आइए हम आपको अभ्यास देते हैं. Now we are ready to practice.